This is an EMD slide rule.
Before you had calculators, before you had computers, EMD, the world's #1 railroad locomotive manufacturer, had a performance calculator for you. On one side, you have various locomotives that General Motors manufactured for export markets, starting with the G18U and finishing with the great GT26 CW-2. So, what you can do on this side here is you can pick your model, and then this will tell you what the minimum gauge is, the power level, the dimensions, the weight, the TE level, the curve radius capability. Okay, and then if you have a train that you want to run and you know how many metric tons and what the grade is going to be, this will tell you what the balance speed will be, what the gross horsepower is going to be, and how much adhesion you need, weight on drivers, and required tractive effort. And that will tell you whether your operation is something that's practical or impossible. This is great. This is before computers. This is the EMD slide rule. Buy it.
Thank you, Dan.